It's the third annual Phx Finds Holiday Gift Guide. We are ringing in the season with a curated list that has some of the best gift ideas for everyone in your life. And joining me now is Eric and Matt from Kowaluska.
Good morning.
Good morning. Did I say that correctly?
Yeah.
All right, I love it. So you guys, this is such a cool, unique concept. Tell everybody a little bit about what you do.
Short and simple, aerospace quality, everyday elegance. We make high-end goods for the man in your life.
I love that. Yeah, this is specifically for anyone really, but specifically for the men in our lives, because those are the people who are really going to appreciate these items. So we're talking about kind of everything, but specifically the kit number one.
Yeah.
So tell me about the kit.
Yeah, the kit's got everything. It's kind of a mix of all our products. So Eric and I, we design, manufacture everything locally.
Wow.
Which is probably why it's geared more towards men. We just design stuff that we liked. And Phx has a huge, long history of aerospace manufacturing. We're just tapping into the beginning of it.
I love that.
But yeah, we have solid aluminum tumblers, solid stainless steel bottle openers, solid brass 360 coasters.
Amazing.
So
this is really for the men in your life who love to imbibe, the men in your life who, like you said, they like the finer things in life, especially when they're pouring a cocktail.
Yeah.
So tell me about each individual piece.
The tumblers are made of aerospace grade 6061 aluminum.
Okay.
The bar opener is made from stainless 303, and that's available in either silver or black.
I love it.
And the coasters are solid brass, and just to give you an idea, here.
Oh my gosh. These are seriously so heavy. These are like weaponry. They're so heavy, it's incredible. But they're incredibly well made. They're solid, they're local, like you said, which I love. And any man in your life is definitely gonna love the quality of this. Every guy in the studio has come over and been geeking out about all of these items already. So really quickly, we also have to talk about this guy because this is so cool.
Yes, the Cobra ice cream scoop. It does have a patent pending with it. There's grooves in there, and it will cut through the hardest of ice cream that you can find.
So smart. I love it. It's genius. You can have a cocktail and have a scoop of ice cream. That's perfect for any guy on your list, especially this time of year.
Best of everything.
Absolutely. So tell everybody where they can find the kit, where they can find all the products.
Yeah, best way is kowaluska.com. It's KOWALUSKA.com, and we ship all over North America.
I love it. I love it. And that's a combination of your two last names.
Correct. I'm Kowal, and he's Galeska.
Nice and easy. Easy to remember. I love it. All right, guys. Well, this is the perfect gift for the men in your life. They will love the quality and just the beauty of everything. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Absolutely. This year's holiday gift guide is sponsored by Jordana Michalaki of Elm Law Group. As we all know, accidents go up dramatically during the holiday season, but Elm Law Group is here for you this time of year and always. To learn more about Jordana and Elm Law Group, visit elmlawgroup.com.